Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove hobbies from your Facebook profile. So in order to do this, let's open our Facebook app, then click on your profile picture, edit the profile, scroll down, go for hobbies and then add. So now you can see suggested hobbies if you didn't add any, so pick any of them. But for me, let's find one, and I'm interested in Warhammer, so let's enter it. For some reason it's not here, so let's go for 3D modeling instead. Go for the accept. We can also add acrylic painting. Make sure to save that setting. And now if you want to delete them, let's go for edit again. And here press on this X button to each hobby that you want to delete. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.